Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Sky. I hope that you guys are doing great. So in today's video we are going to learn about the programming language named as C++. What is C++ programming language? What is the concept of compiler? And how do we get the things done in C++ programming language? So let's get started with the things. And before starting the video, I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Sky, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel Tech Sky. So let's get started with the things. So first we have to learn that what really C++ programming language is. So for visualizing the thing, I'm going to open my Paint. I will draw some kind of stuff so you can understand the concept of C++. So basically C++ is a programming language, and it is the successor of C language. C language is the mother of all languages, in terms of programming. So C language is the mother of all languages, and C++ is the successor of C language. So the question here is that if there was already C language in the world of programming, then what was the need of C++? Why did we need the C++ when we already have C language? So the answer is very simple. The C++ contains the OOP structure, and C language contains the structure of procedural. Now, what really is the difference between these two terms, OOP and procedural? OOP stands for object oriented programming, and procedural stands for statement programming. In OOP, the terms of functions are referred and they are inherited inside the objects. You can emphasize the things of the programming inside these languages, but there is a difference that the procedural language, you have to do a lot of work. You have to do you can't reusable the stuff without copying pasting the stuff, but in terms of OOP, as it is object based, then you can just define the objects and then you can reuse the objects. So OOP is object oriented programming and C language is a procedural language. Then if you want to learn more about the OOP contains the concept of abstract, then it contains the inheritance concept, then it contains the concept of polymorphism. I will write the short term poly so you can get it, that it is from the polymorphism. So these are the concepts that you can use in the programming languages, and all those languages that are object oriented programming based structure, you can use all these concepts in those languages. Now moving forward, C is a procedural language. You can't create some reusable stuff without copying pasting the stuff. And but on the other hand, in C++ you just use the inheritance concept for that purpose, for increasing the reusability in any programming language that is OOP based. Now moving forward, what is the field of C++, where we can implement C++? So C++ is a powerful language that can be used in desktop app, then it can be used in network in sector, then it can be used in web apps, then it can be used in game development. It can be used in a lot of sectors, but if C++ is not used in any kind of programming field, then the structure of C++, the syntax and the logic of C++ is widely used because it is very powerful language. So yeah, just like JavaScript, the JavaScript has its own syntax, but the concepts are derived from C++. As we know that JavaScript is a very powerful programming tool. The frameworks of the JavaScripts are very powerful and are widely used throughout the world. So all those concepts that are powerful are derived from C++ programming language, as it is very powerful according to data structure, according to integrity, according to reliability. All those stuffs are covered in C++. Now this is the thing, and now moving forward towards the main concept that is referred as compiler. There is a term that we have used. There are two terms. One is high level language and other one is low level language. High level language, all those language that human can understand. These are high level languages, and all those languages can understandable by machine. These are referred as low level languages. Now C++ is a high level language because the syntax of C++ is understandable by a human being. On the other hand, if we talk about the machine language, then the term binary language that deals in 1 0 and 0 1, this is referred as machine language as it is understandable by a machine. It can't be understandable by a human being. It can be understandable by a human being, but we have to put a lot of effort using the using implementation of a technique of least common factor and then extracting that what really the thing we are going to work on. So these are the languages, high level language and low level language. But if I am saying that machine can't directly understand C++ language, then what is the procedure through which the machine, our computer, our laptop, or any other system on which we are going to program the softwares using C++, then what we have to what the scenario we just want to follow that time. So the scenario we just want to follow is that we have to use a compiler. We have to use a compiler, as compiler is a program that convert high level language to low level language. A compiler is a program that convert high level language in low level language, such as a program written in C++. You have written a program in C++, then you have passed through the compiler, then all the program, all the syntax, all those codes that you have written now will be converted in the form of 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. It can be converted as this thing. So we have to use the compiler for the purpose of the compilation and for the purpose of the conversion from high level language to low level language. And the other thing, that there are number of compilers that are used for the compilation purpose. The compiler I recommend you people is dev C++. It is abbreviated and is pronounced as developer C++ by Stroustrup. And you can put a lot of things down there using dev C++. The integrated development environment of dev C++ is very simple and it's very awesome. You can create various applications on dev C++ using the C++ programming language. Let me show you the interface of dev C++, and you can check out that how the things will work. So yes, this is the interface of dev C++. For the purposes of new source file, you can click here and you can see there are variety of options, as well as you can also assign the interface color and interface selection according to your desired thing. So it's very light, it's very efficient kind of compiler. So I personally recommend you dev c++. You have to go with dev c++ if you want to learn a lot of stuff, if you want to learn to execute the things smoothly using c++ programming language. Dev c++ is the best one you can get. So that's all from today's video. I hope that you guys like the video, and if you like the video, then do subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Sky, and don't ever forget to press the bell icons so you never miss any kind of notifications from the Tech Sky. And as I will bring a lot of C++ stuff, because we are going to pass through a spiral model through which you can learn the C++. So yeah, that's all from today's video, and keep connected with my YouTube channel Tech Sky so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel Tech Sky. Thank you. And there is one more thing, that if you didn't practice the C++ thing, you have to practice it a lot. The thing I'm going to teach you, you have to practice, you have to note down each and everything on a daily basis. The first assignment to you guys from my side is that you must install the compiler that is named as dev c++, because without the compiler we can't work, we can't move on. So it is very necessary for you guys to install a compiler, so we can put the things on, we can work on a lot of stuffs on the C++ programming language. So yeah, please keep practicing the stuff that I teach you in every single video, and I hope that you will understand the stuff. And if you got any kind of question, then you can comment down in the comment section. I will personally give a reply to you guys. And yeah, so that's all from today's video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Sky. Thank you.